This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Hanna. New? Very large ranch home with sprinkler system. 10,378 square foot house has plenty of character. Unique. Hair salon, party room. 2 walk-in showers, 2 large kitchens, 2 laundry rooms with washer and dryer, covered porch, 2 carports. Was built as group home and never used. Multi-use property. Bring your dreams and imagination. Zoning can be changed. 6-bedroom septic can accommodate 12 persons. For more information, review the details below.